Welcome back, everybody. So let's discuss SMCI because we're getting near the resistance. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is only for educational purposes. We're not financial advisor, and of course, do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, guys, we've got a huge level right now is being tested for SMCI. We're still in green, however, we're not in big green, just little over 1%. The reason is because we're getting near this cloud of resistance as we discussed before. AMD the same, getting near the resistance around 187. As you can see here, we have a huge jump for AMD. Why we talk about AMD? Because both of them are on semiconductor for both of them, and that's why SMCI and AMD are the focus for today as well with SMCI, because both of them got near the resistance. This is not coincidence, guys, because the technical kind of show us the short sellers, show us the resistance, show us the trend in the market, because right now this buy at all-time high, because we've got many blue chip company reporting earning yesterday after hours, like Meta jumped 12%. We got CVNA all-time high. We got Microsoft all-time high. So that's why we have a huge green for the market, but we have a pullback for this for the market for the day. A little bit of pullback, so it's not a big deal, even for crypto stocks. However, in the main thing for today we have to discuss is the price action for next month, because today is the last day for this month. So let us discuss the price level for SMCI for the next month, because as you can see here before the earnings, because the earnings is coming up for SMCI next Tuesday or a few days from now. You see what's happened here. First of all, if we go back in time, we see July was really great. From the 1st of July until now, we did 34% in 1 month. 34% is big number, guys. If you just check today, you say SMCI is not doing good. No, just go back and see what we did this month is almost 35%. Now we pulling back a bit because yes, we did 35%. If we jump a bit for the next month, we might hit this resistance, then we pull back. If we pull back, guys, after testing the 66 and 72, we've got an interesting level to hold over this gap that we did before, over the 54.30, which is the most important level to hold before the earnings. So the earnings will give us either break out from this cloud, which is the resistance, and do 20% around the 72 and over, or have a test before the earnings and go down to correct around the 54. So the earnings will give us the direction of SMCI, either go over the 66 around the $70 or go back around the 46 and the $54. So right now we are really on the turning point for SMCI, because this cloud, guys, for my opinion, is the turning point and the only level that preventing SMCI to go around the $190 territory for this year. So this is a turning point, for my opinion, for SMCI to go toward the 100 if we broke this cloud during the earnings. So this is a turning point. That's why we do this urgent update for SMCI for you guys to watch out first around the 54 hold up, and of course before the earnings. If we go toward the resistance, this will be a good sign that the insiders know something we don't, and this mean that we got a good earnings on our hand, because last earnings were not that good regarding the revenue and the earnings, because we have a deficit in revenue around 4.6, expected 5 billion right now, almost 6 billion. So if we have 6 billion revenue for SMCI or more, this will be a turning point, of course, for SMCI to go over this resistance and squeeze toward the $100 in the end of this year, of course. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below where you think the price will be, of course, for the next month, at the end of the next month, because this month we did 35%. Are we going to have another 35% for the next month? And the end of this year, $100, or we're gonna go back toward the 50 and 44 territory to recorrect there. Let me know in comment section below, guys, and let me know, of course, to be there tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open on our live streaming, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. Don't forget, guys, because we always do update. Last update we did here, of course, we did for AMD, we did for Starbucks, we did for TLY before this pullback. So we do a swing trade and day trade for mini stocks. As you can see, mini stocks we do before the market open, because all the action happened in pre-market. So the link comment section below, guys, if you want to join our Discord and Patreon for daily updates, pre-market live streaming before the live streaming on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow. Thank you for watching.